Did he come?
Santa's paper on it. Santa's paper.
Did Santa leave you a note?
Yep.
He did.
Cheetah.
Oh.
Santa got me another one of those.
He didn't know where to go.
This Santa got you all kinds of stuff, didn't he? What's that?
What's that?
What you got? Pull it out there. Well, check it out.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
What is that? Hold on.
Oh, God.
Back it up and get on.
Let me see you ride it. Let me see you ride.
There.
Get on it.
Get on.
Let me see you try it out. No, you gotta get on it
Get
and
on
ride.
it.
Here, give it up. Get on it.
Get on it.
Get on there and ride.
Why? He's just.
Let's
Get-
see how you ride.
let's see.
Get on there. See, we gotta see how you can work it. Put your feet on the pedals. You gotta pedal it, just like a tricycle. Yeah.
Whoa. There's those.
Park it over there.
There you go. That's good.
This was
Gotta open up. No, last year you didn't go for the big ones first. That's from Uncle Kurt.
That's for Uncle Buck.
What is it?
an old seal bite.
Another school bite?
Yeah.
Hop on, let me see.
Uncle Buck sent you that.
Well, that one wants to hop on.
It's too big.
It's too big.
It's not too big.
You got a new bicycle.
Got a new motorcycle.
Santa got for me.
Well, I didn't know if he was gonna come.
Santa let him take my tricycle.
I don't know.
Did he take it?
No. It was him.
How do you know? How do you know he didn't take it?
Like Santa did. Santa was funny and no one.
Looks like Santa got you a bike and Uncle Kurt got you a bike. You got 2 bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Sit down and open it up.
He's gonna open it.
Oh, you should have plugged the tree in.
Did you plug the choo-choo in? You plug the choo-choo tree in? You get it?
No.
Hmm?
You can't get it.
You can't get it?
Gotta rip it.
You gotta rumple it open.
Ah.
Can you help me open this, Daddy?
Yeah. There you go. Rimp it. You gotta rimp it. Rimp it. Oh.
Ooh, what's that? What's that? Okay. Yeah. Hold on. Pull it out here.
You put it on here. What's those?
What's that?
That's Mega Block.
More Mega Blocks?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Little present.
Just a little present. Where's my present?
Yeah, I want.
Where's mine?
Present.
What's that?
You gotta show Daddy what it is. Go.
What you got there?
A Kung Panda.
Kung Fu Panda?
Yep, she knows.
Take it, because he's ready for some more.
What's this?
It's the Kung Fu Panda? I don't know. You just have to open the other ones to get to
Yeah,
it.
you gotta open around to get to him. What's that?
What you got there?
You better start showing your dad while you're sitting there.
The truck.
You got your dump truck? Got a new dump truck.
Throw that bring that paper over. Don't go in quiet. There you go.
Open it up.
You
Gotta
can
open
open
it.
it. See? What's it look like?
What's that?
No Spider-Man.
No Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Oh.
No Batmans?
No.
Nope.
Thanks what about that?
It's an awful lot of presents for just one little
I
guy.
don't think those are all yours. I think you made a mistake.
You wasn't that good, were you?
There's a microphone.
Oh my goodness!
What you got?
Did you want one of those?
Yep, with my J. With Jaden.
Like Jaden?
Can't see that other.
Good job. He's doing cleanups. Good worker.
What's
Look,
that?
what is that?
No sword.
Is that something you wanted?
Yep.
Did
Jaden owe that to me.
That Santo must know you well.
What's that?
Can't see.
What's that?
What you got?
That's for my dad.
That's for your dad. And I think that's might be for you.
I'll take it though.
Well, Dad can have it?
No.
It's
Mine.
You gotta think about that one.
a DD player.
Yeah.
It's like a DD player for when you go in the car. You can watch Tubi in there. You can watch your newbies.
Ooh, what's that?
What you
Sit
got?
down and show Daddy.
Show me what you got.
That's a pewter.
You got your pewter.
Yeah.
Get the rest of it. Throw it all up there. I'm gonna have to work this here pewter.
That's mine.
That's mine.
Yours.
Yep.
I can play with it too.
You stand share.
Oh well.
You gotta sit by the screen like that.
Another Spider-Man.
Another Spider-Man.
He sent me one.
You keep sending you them. All that wrapping paper.
Said shake it.
Huh?
What's that?
That's a cookie.
Huh?
What is that?
No doctor thingy.
You gonna play doctor?
Whoa.
A new doctor thingy.
Yeah.
Is you gonna be our doctor?
No,
All right, now
never open.
you're too busy opening. Gotta turn around.
What's that?
No, Jaden.
What's he on?
You gotta show the camera.
What's he on?
My
He's on a scooter.
Yeah. I would have done.
He's on a scooter.
That's something spratty in there. Mine to get you.
Got some new jammies.
What's those?
The shirts.
Yeah.
Looks like.
Got some new shirts. Oh, the rest must be socks then. You must just got you a bunch of socks.
Oh,
You know, sit down for that.
What is that?
they say that
What is that?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse what?
What's it for?
Looks like it's for some kind of game.
What you gonna do with that? You gotta have a game to put it in.
You still have no game.
It in?
Santa did know.
How does he know?
Santa come down the wire.
You come down here?
I must have called him, didn't I?
You called him?
Yeah. He's my buddy. He's still watching to see if he's naughty or nice for next year.
Yeah. He left you a letter.
Yeah. Santa got my card. Santa drank his Hulu
It
and
looks like a...
whoa.
What is that?
You know,
No, wait.
I think this might go to this. And you didn't even unwrap it all the way. You don't care what anything is. You just want to see what everything is, and then he'll care what everything is.
Gotta see what's in there.
What's that?
Santa got me this card.
Oh my goodness.
Now they're mine.
Oh, those are yours? Okay.
You're busy. Wait for my dad.
He's gonna open up. No, I talked to Santa last night. I talked to him last night.
You woke up last night too, but did Santa come? Not yet. What you got there? More cars?
Yep.
Who's that?
Oh, Santa must have not have known that you had one of those.
Yeah.
Silly Santa.
Santa makes mistakes.
What's that?
Where'd you get those again?
Is that a big one? That means we all can play.
He's got some hippos.
I don't know where that is.
What's that?
What is that?
What's that?
That's a potato head.
A potato head.
Yeah. Just see that in
What's that?
I can't see.
I can't see. I know.
Looks like some cardboard.
Oh, we got some cardboard.
No, that's your car.
Whose
That's my car.
Another tar.
That's mine now.
It's yours now.
You got 2 tars now, guy.
Toys in it.
No.
Nope. What's that?
What you got?
Is that a monster?
Yep. Don't go with my rangers.
You got a monitor.
You're just cruising through them presentos. Let's just wait till later to open up the rest, okay?
Then wait till later to open the rest.
We're gonna wait till later to open the rest, okay?
Do I do it?
You'll do what?
I'll open it with.
You want to open them?
Yeah.
You're strong.
Santa set you up with a trap.
He tried slowing you down.
Let Santa set you up. shoes, Yote.
Yep.
Okay, be careful.
I got a under race jacket.
It's an under race tracker.
You want help?
Yeah.
You want help? What's that?
This was another one.
Got a new pewter?
It looks like it's for writing.
So you can do some learning. We can learn you something.
Apparently gold and silver wrapping paper is bad.
Remember where the tape is. Did that help? Here, hold on. Over right there. See? There you go.
What is that?
The crane.
Mm-hmm.
Crano?
That's the bully dozer.
Yeah.
Or the crab bunker. Clam bunker, they call it. It's for towing loggers.
What's that?
What you got? Rip it. Pull it where the
Now pull
seams
the
are.
tape is.
Here, pull it right here. Right here, where the tape is. Yeah, that's it. Ah!
Okay.
Right?
What is that?
What is this? What is it?
That's a train.
Looks like a video game.
It's right. You just got to hook it to a tubie, looks like.
Yeah, and
I'll take that because I got a big tubie.
Oh.
I love that matey. What you got?
that's a mega monster go with my windows.
A mega monster.
Oh my.
Maybe I've not seen that before.
Better throw all that paper over there in the pile. Might lose some presentos in there. What's these ones over here?
Yeah, you got a couple other ones over there.
Caliente ones.
See, doesn't put my candy in there. Let me see if
You want me to start that one?
yeah.
You got another one right there.
Where you're going?
He's got to open them. They're your presentos.
And she didn't get me anything. What is that?
Rip it. Give it to mommy.
Dad, get under a tree.
Pull that big one there you got. What we got to get under a tree for? What is that?
Oh my goodness, that's a big one.
They got a shopping cart.
Is that?
And then we need to get a big one out.
You got to get that big one out there.
Oh my goodness, that one's huge.
That's a monster.
What do we think it is?
What is it?
It's almost as tall as you are.
Sure is. What is that?
The big fire
A
truck.
fire truck.
A big
No
fire
way.
truck. Let's see.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Santo brought that for me.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
That's a big old fire truck. And Santo got that for me.
That's huge. I don't think we have room in here for that.
What you got there? No.
The big tray.
A train? You got one?
Santo brought you a train?
Yep, that's mine.
Oh my god!
Did you get it?
I get it. I get it. Watch out. Come in here.
You don't want the cookies.
Oh,
Oh,
Big old fire truck right there. What is that?
what do you got?
What is that? That's a new couch.
You got your new couch.
Look at that.
oh. I see the little take that one.
Look at that. This one's nice. Try it out.
Okay.
What do you think?
Let's open my toy.
Yeah, we gotta finish getting the wrapping paper off that bike over there.
Open my toys.